Stocks fell, gold rose as tensions escalated between the U.S. and North Korea. Earlier in the trading day, North Korea's foreign minister said his country has the right to shoot down strategic U.S. bombers, even if they're not in North Korean airspace. One strategist said that made the market nervous, and stocks dropped sharply. The major U.S. indexes did recover some of those losses by the close of trading. Here's how they looked. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 53 points to 22,296. The Nasdaq was off 56, and the S&P 500 was down 5. While North Korea got a lot of investor attention, so did something else. Bob Pisani explains.
Tensions are on the rise once again after a war of words between President Donald Trump and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un escalated today. North Korea's foreign minister said Trump has effectively declared war on the rogue nation and that North Korea now has, quote, every right to take countermeasures, including, he says, the right to shoot down U.S. bombers even when they're not in North Korean airspace. We've heard a similar exchange of threats for a while now. The markets have mostly shrugged them off, but this marks the most direct warnings North Korea has issued so far. Gold prices spiked more than 1% on heavy volume to break firmly above the $1,300 mark. Bond yields dipped to 1-week lows, putting back stocks under pressure and lifting real estate, consumer staples, and utility stocks. Those are defensive names. And the volatility index, the VIX, widely thought of as the best gauge of fear in the markets, rose to the highest level in 2 weeks, though it's still low around 11. Despite these moves, the bigger story lately has been rotation. There's been plenty of sector rotation in September. We saw it again today. Just take some of the Dow leaders and laggards, for example. Chevron and Exxon, which have been under pressure all year, are two of the top performers this month. Meanwhile, Apple and United Health, two of the year's best performing Dow components, are down more than 4% apiece. In fact, Apple's down 8%. And tech stocks overall are slumping today. Facebook, Nvidia, Broadcom, all down as investors seek some profit off the table. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.